Question 11a. In the diagram, angle PTQ is equal to angle PSR, and that is 90 degrees. PQ is equal to 10 cm, PS 14.4 cm, and TQ equal to 6 cm. Calculate the area of the quadrilateral QRST. Solution: quadrilateral QRST is a trapezium. Now you have SR and TQ as the parallel sides. Now TS and SR are needed in order to find the area. Okay, TS and SR, because you know one parallel side, this is second parallel side. TS becomes the height which is needed. Considering triangle PTQ, now for us to get this length, let us get PT first, subtract it from 14.5, then you get this length. That is why we are considering triangle PTQ, because you know 10 as one side of that triangle and 6 as another side. The triangle is a right angle triangle, so we have to use Pythagoras rule. The rule states that the square on the longest side, hypotenuse, is equal to sum of squares on the other two sides. Hypotenuse is PQ, then you have the other side. You replace their respective value, you simplify and collect like terms, so that PT square is equal to 64. To get PT, you take the square root of 64, and that is 8 cm. Now TS that we need is equal to PS, the whole of that length, minus PT, that is 14.4 minus 8, you have 6.4 cm. Triangle PTQ and PSR are similar, and as such, what we are saying now, triangle PTQ and PSR, they are similar. It follows that PT over QT is equal to PS over SR. You have it in this form. If you replace the respective values, you have this result. If you make SR the subject, you have this, and that gives 10.8 cm. We cannot find the area of quadrilateral QRST, that is area of trapezium, and it is 1/2 times sum of parallel sides times arrow times height, which is SR. If you replace all the sides with what they stand for, you have this result. When simplified, you get this, and finally 53.76 square centimeters as the needed area. Question 11b. Two opposite sides of a square are each decreased by 10%, while the other two sides are increased by 15% to a rectangle. Find the ratio of the area of the rectangle to that of the square. So you have the square, the side is S, or any other letter. By the increment, you have rectangle that result. Now, opposite sides of a square decreased by 10%. Total sides you have 100. So after the decrease by 10%, you are left with 90% of the sides, which is S. That simplifies to this, and you have 0.9S. Other two sides of a square increase by 15%. The total side is 100%. Increment of 15% takes it to 100, and 15% of the side S, and that simplifies to this. Ratio of the area. So let's get area of the square, that is S times S, S squared. Area of the rectangle, 0.9S times 1.15S, that is 1.035S squared. So you have area of rectangle ratio area of square. You have 1.035S squared ratio S squared. By the time S squared cancels out, you have 1.035 ratio 1 as the needed ratio. Remember, the decrease and increase led to the rectangle. The side of the square is S, so the area becomes S squared. So this we calculated, and this we calculated are the sides of the rectangle that resulted. Pythagoras simplified maths. If you are watching and viewing from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe for more updates, like and share PSM videos. If you are watching and viewing from Facebook, follow and like the page for more updates. Also share PSM videos.